Hello everyone, this video will be helpful if you want to unblock any number on any Android smartphone. Basically, one of my closest friend called, I call her Priya, and she just got blocked by me mistakenly, and here is how to unblock her. Let me show you the steps. So here I'm using the Google Contact app. Simply tap on it and open it, and here you would find the fix and merge option. It's a basic fixing and merging option just like BackDroid, and don't forget to subscribe that button. Yes sir, it's showing red, but you have to turn it into the gray. Simply yahan you would find the other tools. Simply tap on the blocked numbers, and here you would find list of all the numbers you have recently blocked. You can add a phone number, or you can just simply tap it and remove and unblock any number. And this is an international spam call, so you can call him. I don't recommend it, but like simply you can just unblock it. After tapping it would be removed, as you can see. So this is how you can unblock a number, and this is how you can subscribe. Let me show you just by like unsubscribing, and like you have to subscribe like this, and don't forget to press the bell icon like this. I hope you find the video useful. If does, do like sir.